Hi guys, and welcome back to Goka TV. This video is rather hilarious. It's between Governor Ademola Adeleke of Osun State and First Lady Oluremi Tinubu at the 10th coronation anniversary of the Ooni of Ife in Osun State. So the First Lady said, "I'm giving you 5 more minutes to finish your speech. The music is enough. That's not what I asked you to do." But the governor continued singing. She immediately came back and said, "I will turn off the microphone. Stop the music." Guys, what do you think about this? This is rather interesting. What do you guys think? Please leave your comments in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and make sure you tune in and keep watching Goka TV.
Olúwa ọba títí láyé kò lè yí padà bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ kò bẹ́ẹ̀ kò wà.
máa jẹ́ 5 minutes orí ti tó báyìí.
Títí ayé ṣé kí n má ṣe protocol? Ṣé kí n má ṣe protocol? Ó dáwọ́ tí ni má ṣe protocol.
Ó yá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe ó ti mà.
Ok mo mọ̀. I warmly associate and felicitate with His Imperial Majesty, the great people of Ife, and the entire Yoruba race on this historic 10th coronation celebration. I will start my address by first commending our royal father for conferring the prestigious title of Yeye Asiwaju Ilẹ̀ Oòduà on the mother of the nation, our amiable First Lady, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi